areas like tourism, pharmacy, and mining. We can help you in identifying AI solutions for that. In fact, we are working very closely with Ministry of Mines. They have given us data for Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. We are finding an AI solution for them so that it can predict what kind of mineral is available at that place, and then only they can start drilling and finding the minerals. So this is what also we can do for you. And last but not the least, data and AI labs. We can help you in setting up two AI data labs in tier 2 and tier 3. You have to identify, we are giving it to you to identify and give us the location, and we will be funding you with respect to the infrastructure, and also we will support you for training the instructor for a period of 3 years so that the tier 2 and tier 3 cities can have youth who are skilled in data field, and so that they can work in your state. So this is what I had to say, and my team is going to have much more detailed inputs about all of it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That was a detailed insight into India AI. Now, to give us his ideas and his understanding today's day is the man under whose leadership, as I said, we're not just keeping pace, but we're moving into the future, enabled with AI by our side. Please put your hands together for the Honorable Minister of Information Technology, Electronics and Communication, Government of Goa, Shri Rohan Khaunte. Sir, can we please request you to say a few words?
Very good morning to all of you. If you thought AI would transform our tomorrow, I think it's time to think twice. It's here today. This is Ms. Kavita Bhatia, CEO India AI Mission Mighty. Shri Amitabh Nag, CEO Digital India Machinery Division. Dr. Ajit Palolekar, Director Goa Institute of Management. Shri Kabir Shangankar, Director VIT EC Bank. Other government officials representing various departments in various capacities. Friends come from outside the state, being a part of the AI mission. Revati, who has been the CEO of GEL and been a partner to driving the whole idea of information technology together along with the Department of IT. Electronic media press, ladies and gentlemen. It's both an honor and a privilege to address you today on a subject that is just not transforming the world, but also redefining on how we think, how we work, how we live, and how we govern. That subject is artificial intelligence, or as we say, it's AI. Goa has been a land of unique possibilities. We are known for our vibrant culture, scenic beauty, and hospitality. But it's time we become equally known for technology, innovation, and digital leadership. As the Minister for Information Technology, Electronics and Communication, I see AI just not as a buzzword or a futuristic concept. I see it as a tool for inclusive development, a platform for young minds, and a driver for sustainable citizen-centric governance. The aim is to ensure AI encompasses and serves as a medium to achieve the vision of Honorable Prime Ministers of talking about the 4 pillars of Yuva Shakti, Mahila Shakti, Kisan Shakti, and Garib Kalyan for the state of Goa. We have been continuously getting support from our Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, as we talk about Swayam Goa. And that is why we think that Goa, being a small state, has all those requisites to make it an ideal state in terms of talking about a digital state where we can all thrive to contribute to the digital economy about the way we can. When we talk on AI, we should know that it's no longer confined to labs or large tech companies. It's already present in our daily lives, in how we travel, how we shop, how we study, and even in how we receive medical care. But more importantly, AI has the potential to solve real problems for real people, especially here in Goa. To give give some examples, I would talk about my tourism department, tourism and hospitality. We are already working on AI-driven systems that help tourists explore Goa in personalized ways, manage crowds, and improve safety, all while preserving our natural and cultural heritage. We are talking about citizen engagements where an optimistic leap of governance in AI has been the all governance one bot project for the state. Unlike other states, Goa has embarked on a very optimistic transformation to have a single chatbot for all the services and departments of the state. We are talking about AI attendance today, keeping the core internal functioning of government in the ambit of AI. The state has implemented AI-based facial recognition for its own employees. Other projects to talk about include agentic, voice-based customer support, voice response chatbots, and integration with WhatsApp to seamlessly bring governance to the citizens. We have had Mr. Amitabh ji just talk about machining and the MOU which we have signed today. I look forward to working with them closely, collaboratively, to ensure that whatever MOUs have been signed on the paper get into working mode. I was just talking to him and I said, first thing we need to do is immediately get into a workshop mode. When we talk about AI, a lot of people have a misunderstanding, I would say, that it is all about coding. And I think that sort of awareness and trying to get our own government officials together on this platform is very important. If we need to drive the right model of e-governance, a lot of states in the country are trying to put the similar things together. But knowing the efficiency of our officers, the brightness they have and the drive they have, I would only request and call upon all of you to give a little thought process on your own departments which you hold or which you are managing. Understanding how technology can be a better driver in terms of moving your own department more seamlessly, providing better governance, how we can use technology. I think our Amitabh ji and Kavita ji, the way they put things together elaborately, I think has given us an insight on what they can do. There's much more that we can learn from them in the other ways that we can in terms of making all these things successful. The AI mission, the start of AI mission, and the whole thought of getting certain ideas moving has just started from the state of Goa. But I think the Goa AI Mission 2027, which we talk about Goa.ai, I think has volumes to speak about in terms of infrastructure, in terms of skilling and many more things. But today's both presentations have been something as food for thought. Let us take it one by one. I'm not saying let's jump the gun, but we need to start looking at it because we need to be working much more responsible. Expectations from G2C, the expectation from the citizen towards the government is increasing. Social media tools are playing a huge role in today's governance. And I think effectively, collaboratively, like yesterday we had a workshop, we had a day, when I was giving the same shout out that unless we work collaboratively, things cannot come out in a very positive manner. We need to be committed for responsible AI. And when we talk about that, we need to say that we must be mindful. AI must not widen the gap between those with access to technology and those without. It must not replace human jobs without creating a new ones. Our approach in Goa will always be human-centered, inclusive, and ethical. Our government is committed to developing AI infrastructure research hubs. What Kavita ji says, as I talked about AI labs, I think is very, and data labs is very welcoming. Partnering with educational institutes and startups, upskilling our youth through AI training programs, creating policies that protect data privacy and promote transparency, and ensuring that AI works with people, not against them. We are already in talks to launch the AI Innovation Labs, attract AI-focused startups through our IT and startup policies, and bring AI literacy to schools and colleges. To our youth, I would give a shout out. I urge you to dream big. AI is your playground. Learn it, question it, and use it to solve the problems that matter to you and your communities. To our entrepreneurs and startups, Goa is open for innovation. Come build with us. To our institutions and educators, let us collaborate to create a generation that doesn't just consume technology but creates it. And to all our citizens, let us walk into this future together. A future where technology is not feared but embraced, not imposed but understood. In the closing, let me remind you, the goal is not to build a Goa that is more digital. The goal is to build a Goa that is more human, more connected, and more prepared for the world ahead, with AI as a powerful ally. Let us lead Goa into this new era, not just as passive users of AI, but as pioneers, thinkers, and responsible leaders. AI for all, AI for Goa, AI for Bharat. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Goa.
Thank you, sir. I think that was so very well put. A connected Goa, a connected future ahead. So I now request you to kindly give a token of appreciation and as a memory for today of this journey that we've started together to our dignitaries on the stage. I request our Honorable Minister for IT to kindly present a token of appreciation and memento to Srimati Kavita Bhatia, the Chief Operating Officer of the India AI Mission. Thank you so much, ma'am. We wish you life ahead into all your endeavors. A token of appreciation to Sri Amitabh Nath, CEO DIBE. We just signed the MOU. We wish you and us a future ahead. Dr. Ajit Karolekar, Director, Goa Institute of Management, for all the learning, for all the thought, and of course, all the innovation ahead. Thank you so much, sir, for being a part of this. And now I request our Director of the department to kindly give a token of appreciation and a reminder, a memorabilia for today to our Honorable Minister for IT. So thank you. We wanted to thank you for your leadership and moving us forward. Thank you so very much. Thank you so very much. We're at the cusp of a future. We're at the cusp of building together. And we're in it together. I hope you believe that. Yes? Yes? All right. Thank you so very much for being here. Thank you to our dignitaries. We're going to break for tea now, and we will be back in about 20 minutes to hear from more leaders there.